So your question in the email, survey of women in a certain country, 20, 29 years old. Their mean height is 64.8, standard deviation is 2.89. Answer the following questions when it's normally distributed. So I went in Stat Crunch. You can do it by hand or with the calculator. Stat Crunch may be the easiest way. Go in this here, you press on Stat Calculators, choose the normal calculator. You just put in this info, the 65.8 for the mean and the 2.89 for standard deviation. And so they want the height that represents the 95th percentile. Well, you got to understand what 95th percentile means. That means, 95% of the people scored lower than them. Or in this case, 95% of the people are shorter than they are. And so, you put this 0.95 here, and that's what's shaded in red, 95% of the area. And so you click compute, and you get the desired answer. You just got to round it, 2 decimals, it's about 70.54 inches, So StatCrunch makes this pretty easy. Hope that helps.